is Cooking with Emma. Today, we will be making cheesecake parfaits. To make a cheesecake, you need graham cracker crumbs, strawberry or mango, cream cheese, and vanilla Greek yogurt. You will need a small plastic cup, a big glass bowl, and something to stir with. Let's get started. So first, you take 2 handfuls of graham cracker crumbs. You need a big and then all of this in here. All of this, you mean? All of that? As much as I can get. Now, after you've been stirring, you're gonna take this much and put it on top of the graham cracker crumbs. Next, you are going to choose one of these. I'm going to choose some mango. Fill it with more white now. Now what do I do? More white. Okay. There, you've made it. This is my mango cheesecake parfait. You can make it with any fruit you want, but first you have to make it with a parfait. Before you eat it, put it in your fridge for 2 hours. This is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna put it right in here. And then I'm going to close the fridge door and let it stay in there for 2.5 minutes. Okay, that's good. Ah, this is my favorite for eating it. What am I going to do? Eat it? Okay. Ah!